had some discussions on if Wing Chun Kuen is internal art or not. So here is my view for your reference on this is Wing Chun Kuen is internal art or not. For me, if it is according to ancient Chinese internal art categorizations, two important key or two basic key has to be present in order for an art to be able to call itself an internal arts. Okay? So what is this two key? The two key is the first one is about the addressing the feet bowl. The feet bowl. The second thing is addressing the qi sing into the dantian. Okay. So why is this two key is important? Feet bowls. What happens is that the feet is the one which is contact with the ground. So if you want to play with force flow or jing, then you need the feet be able to coupling the force in or out from the ground. Okay? So the feet bowl, you have the arc here, you have the toes here, you have the heel here. That is a clear details, handling or manipulations need to be known in order to be able to handle the force going inside the ground or come out from the ground. Otherwise, we cannot work with the ground. Okay, so that is why the feet bowl is very important key. Okay. Now, the second thing is we talk about the qi sing to dantian. Qi sing to dantian is dealing actually with breathing, with the qi flow, okay, and the jing also, okay, of the force flow also. So okay. Now, sing qi to dantian have two very key elements, which is the breathing, the lower abs breathing, and the qi sinking down into the dantian. The two of them, usually when people talk about qi, sing qi to dantian. Okay, one need to be able to have the lower abs, natural lower abs breathing before one can sing the qi into dantian. So usually one develop the breathing first, and then the sinking come after the lower abs breathing develop. Okay. So, however, in order to just be able to have the natural breathing or natural lower abs breathing, one need to open up this hip joints here, and then activate the tail, the spine from the tailbone to the behind the navel, these sections of it. If this two thing is not loosening up or make it active, then sing qi to dantian or lower abs breathing is actually not very likely. Okay. So what do I mean by open up the hip joints? Okay. This is open up the hip joint. There are many directions can open up the hip joints, and all has to be able to be done. Okay. This is all directions. Okay, and then you can manipulate in a different way. Okay, so that is to open up the hip joints. As for the spine, from the tailbone up to the back of the navel, it be able to actually, because this is the spine joint by joint here, it be able to rotate frontward, rotate backward, and swing. Okay. So these two things has to happen before one can have this natural lower abs breathing develop. Without that two things just now, not likely be able to do that. Okay? So this is how it looks like for the lower abs breathing, natural lower abs breathing. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Okay? See it this way? Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So notice that this whole part is moving dynamically when inhale and exhale. So this is in Chinese, it's called open and close. Okay, so this hip open up when you inhale, close when you exhale. Okay, and the tailbone match it up accordingly. Okay, so that is lower abs breathing. Okay, and only after you can be able to do that, then if your breathing is slow enough or deep enough or long enough, when you get down to 4 repetitions per minute or under it, then you can sing Qi to Dan Tian. Okay, it's a rule of thumb, something like this. Okay, okay. So this key actually addresses the breathing and address the Qi Sing to Dan Tian issue. Okay, so this toolkit is a must for me. It is a must in order for one to call one's art is an internal art. Another thing we can talk about is this. If we're using the fit balls, loose up this hip and then the tailbone. Okay, we can have the what do you call it, the natural lower abs breathing, and then the Qi Sing to Dan Tian. Okay, if we have this toolkit exists here, okay, then so what happens is for the force flow, what happens is the conditions like this. The force is like the body weight or the force downward is actually sinking to the ground via the feet bolts, and the body is actually hang up to the sky. Okay, so at that instance, like you think about the 2 force vectors going down to the ground, 1 force vector going up. Okay, the body becomes like a balloon where you have a string tied to the ground. Okay, so the balloon is floated or levitate. Okay, the body is really loose and do not have anything stagnated or holding anything at all. Okay, so that is the situations of this body and the force vector. Now, if you look at the normal, ordinary thing, general thing we do, where you do this, okay? First thing you notice is that hip joint lock, holding or clamping the butt here. The tailbone, the spine, this part of the spine is actually rigid, tucked out there. That guarantee the breathing is not going to down there. The breathing is going to stop at the stomach level. So you can strike this Sing Qi in the Dan Tian off already. Okay, you cannot do it. It's just your body, your mechanic cannot do it. The second thing is, when you do this, so what happens is that the force vector is using this part to push, to press a force down, and then use this part to jack the body up. Okay, so you have a force vector push down there and jack or sustain this up. Okay, that is very different than when you stand there, body goes up, your 2 force vector sink to the ground, and this one get lifted, okay, or hanged up, okay, and the body is loose, so you play with the force flow, okay. So this you can play with force flow. This one is using this part to put the press down, and then to hold or sustain your body up. Okay, so this one is one down, one up. Okay, in other words, both force vector down here, force vector come up. That's the situations. And for the loosening up using the fitball one, is actually 2 going down, and from here you lift it up. Okay, so like this and 2 going down. Okay, force vector like this and 2 going down. As for the other one is from this area, 1 up, 1 down, 2 different stuff. Okay, now if you using force like say tugging this thing, actually that's press down to generate the force and actually tug up. Okay, you force down and push up this way, force down and push up this way when you're using that. Okay, as for this type, fulfilling the 2 key type, where you have 2 forces going down, going up, then you are using the 7 volts to actually issue this force. So they are different. So now this is tug up, this is. Okay, so they are different. Okay, so again, it is not like usually people saying, oh, loose, then playing slow, loose, or just internal. No, it is not. It has to be fulfilling or addressing clearly the 2 key, the fit balls and the qi xing dan dian. Otherwise, in my opinion, you cannot call it internal. Okay, that's for today.